All right, now we're doing 8Q UEFA Euro 2016. This is by Miagovi, maybe? Miagovi. 92% of the people like it, and we're going to finish the UEFA 2016 function so it returns string just like in the examples below. And here's the examples. If they tie, we want it to say this. If this one wins, excuse me, if the second one wins, we say the second one wins. If the first one wins, the first one wins, right? So this one's pretty easy. It is a little, what's the word? Tedious for 8Q, but it's not the most tedious. So let's set up right here. All right, so in this one we're going to use template literals, which template literals are literals delimited with backtick characters, allowing for multi-line strings or string interpolations with embedded expressions, and for special constructs called tagged templates. All right, so basically we're just going to have like a string text, then we're going to have this expression right here, and then string text again. The expressions are always going to be wrapped up in a $ with the curly braces, right? And we're also going to be using ternary operators in this. So the conditional or ternary operator is the only JavaScript operator that takes 3 operands: a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. This operator is frequently used as an alternative to if-else statements, and I use these all the time because they make it, you have to type so much less with these. All right, so what we're going to start with is we're going to do the template literal, so we're going to do the backtick, which is the key to the left of the 1 and above the tab. And what we're going to say is @match, and then we're going to do the little $ with the curly braces, and then a little hyphen, and then another $ with curly braces, all right? And then we're going to say comma right here, so comma, and then we're going to do another $ with curly braces, right? Okay, so first off, we're going to say teams 0, so it's going to take this one, so teams 0, and then the second curly brace, we're going to say teams 1, naturally, 1, and then here's where the tricky part, and I'm putting that in quotes, here's where the tricky part comes in. So right here we're going to start off with a tie. So if scores 0 equals scores 1, then we're going to do the conditional operator right there, and we're going to say we're going to put the string, what is it? Teams played draw, all right, with a period. And then if not, and we're going to start this on another line just for now. If not, put it over here. Right here's good. All right, if not, we're going to say what is it? Scores. Oops. What are we going to do here? See, because we have 1 on both of them, so I don't want to type 1 twice. We don't like it repeating ourselves in coding. So let's do another template literal right here, and we're going to say $ curly brace, and then inside there we're going to say if scores 0 is greater than scores 1 question mark, score teams 0, and outside this we're going to say 1 with an exclamation point right there. Okay, and hopefully this isn't too confusing, but I'm trying to do this in one take. trying to do this video in one take. So back to this. So if team's score 0 is greater than scores 1, then team 0 is the one we're going to return. And if not, we're going to say teams 1. All right? Hopefully this makes sense to you, and hopefully it works. Let's see. All right, it works. So I'm going to make this a true one-liner real quick, just like that. All right, can't read it too well, but whatever. I like it to be a one-liner. Attempt it. Good. Submit it. Excellent. So my solutions, just me. All right, best practice, I think. Very like it, and we'll see you next time.